Hello people, I'm Dara. In this video, I want to talk about HTTP status code. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is the standard protocol or way or method of transferring hypertext documents on the web or over the web, whichever you want to call it. Hypertext is a way of storing data through a computer program so that users can create and link various fields or modules of information and retrieve such data as they wish, sequentially or non-sequentially. When we send or retrieve data via the web, we most times send this through REST services. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. That's another standard made so that systems can communicate with each other easily. When we call REST services or visit websites or do many things online, we get a response back. This response contains a code that tells our application or browser what has happened. The response of our call contains four major components: the status code, the header, an empty line, and then the request body, which is the response body which is optional. Let's focus on status codes as promised. These codes are grouped widely into 5 categories. 1XX standing for information, 2XX decodes as success, 3XX tells us about redirection, it means things are going from one place to another. 4XX informs us that there's been a problem on our own end as the user, and then 5XX tells us there's been a problem on the server. Something that is not essentially our fault, it's something that happened on the server that went critically wrong that we don't have control over. Next up, I'll talk about the top status code you most likely encounter as you talk on the web, go to websites, call APIs and all that. The first one is 200, which is OK. 201 stands for created. 204 stands for no content. 304 means data is not modified. 400 means there's a bad request. 401 means there's an unauthorized access to information. 403 means something is forbidden, you're not allowed to access that resource. Then 404 means it's not found. I guess that's the most popular one and the most funny one. 405 you might also encounter that, which is mostly on the developer's end, which means method not allowed. 409 means there's a conflict of information between what you're sending and what is on the server. Maybe there are multiple put requests coming on. Then 500 means internal server error. This is one of the most common errors you find also. You can find more information about status codes with the link I'll drop in the description section below, so be sure to check it out. Are you based in Nigeria or Africa? Check out nomad.care, and upon checkout, use the code Dara Oladapo to get 10% off. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you still see a red subscribe button, it's waiting for you to turn gray. So click that button so you get notifications when I post new videos and you don't miss new stuff coming just from me. Till I come your way with another video, stay safe and goodbye.